So the Hub is a collection of academic groups based at University College London and then 5 university spokes and a consortium of about 42 industrialists and governmental organisations looking at how we can research the methods needed to take the next generation of drugs forward into manufacturing for the future.
Well, it's in 2 areas: technology development, in the area where I'm interested in, the cell gene therapy area. Obviously there's a biologics precision medicine component as well. But looking broadly from technology development to business models to supply chain to logistics, the kind of whole package that sits around cell gene therapy.
As the Hub proceeds, it's going to achieve 2 main things. It's going to develop underlying platforms that will allow us to address new therapies, and it will make the UK community, scientists and engineers and industrialists, aware of the opportunities in this space.
Well, I hope the Hub can achieve a number of things. First of all, I think, just returning to the previous question, it can achieve the growth of people skilled in the technologies who understand the demands, both clinical demands and challenges, but also the business demands and challenges and the opportunities. So people is going to be important, but I think also the innovation in terms of the technologies, the hardware, and also the software. So I think it's that whole connection of people versed in the technologies, generating those technologies and seeing those actually translate then out into industrial practice.
I think it's going to be at the people level. I think that's the key, because the Hub itself, in the way some of the other initiatives in the UK in the biologics area have really delivered, it's the people and the networking and a better understanding of what's required. I think the secondary one that will come out of here is really specific ways of working, whether it's new technologies, whether it's understanding better the business models, the regulatory. I think bringing that together in this format has a better chance of delivering than each individual company or each academic trying to do it individually. So there's that synergy and the benefits that synergy will give as well.
Innovation enterprise is crucial to a university like University College London, in particular in the context of this sort of hub initiative, where one's looking at taking really exciting new ideas from life sciences, understanding how they can then be translated into the commercial reality. So I think it's part of the bread and butter, it's part of the ethos of a university like University College London to work with companies, not on purely translational issues, but also really in a sort of strategic timescale, understanding what are the challenges over the next 10, 15 years, and then thinking about how one supports that.
I think that's absolutely key. I mean, I think if we have an industry, we think those kind of things, innovation only happens in industry. We're not good at everything that we need to do, and we need to work with academics and academic groups that are focused at that end. We can sometimes in industry get so focused on delivery of a product, and you take the fastest route, that you either don't have the time or you don't think about innovating, because you have to get from here to here. But I think in working in partnership, where innovation is a key for an academic group, we can bring the two together.
So for me, the opportunity of the Hub is to bring some of my skills into a new problem and to meet with some new end users.
So I think the Hub offers a fantastic opportunity to the Department of Biochemical Engineering in terms of providing not only exposure to what are the strategic drivers for the future, but offering opportunities for people to understand and to liaise with industry, to understand what the challenges from an industrial perspective are, as well as an academic perspective. So actually one of the things I was saying in my keynote at the beginning of the event today was that this whole ability to train up the next generations of people for the industry is really an important metric of the output of the Hub.